now we here. We gotta do this fast because let me go around. This dude is, I swear, this dude is just making, he's just making freaking turns. This dude right here is just making U-turns. What's up, man?
How's it running?
Oh no, it's running pretty good. Yeah. No, I'm just doing a YouTube video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just doing over like you know, the suspension and everything like that. All right, cool. Yeah.
All right, man.
All right, man. You take care. The guys are pretty not that mean up here, I guess. You know, he really changed my my perspective on him. Here it is, right here, F10 5 Series. I like this area for this reason. Look at that. Oh my God. It looks amazing. Yo, this thing looks freaking sick. We're in the middle of just a long little straightaway stretch. This is Aberdeen Proving Ground. Back that way. Got my mom's house back this way. Anyway, look at that thing, man. Look at it. Come on, come on. I'm about to do one of those cinematic drop joints in a minute. But anyway, we over here right now, we testing out two things. That's how the KW and the boot mode flash. Now, I don't even know if it's gonna be two separate videos. I might try to wing it out, make it two separate videos. I'm not sure yet, but listen, let's just give it all we got right now. So we're gonna do a walk around in the car. What's up?
I said, are you all right?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm just filming a YouTube video.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, am I in your way?
Oh no, you're good. You're good. I just normally go this way. I just normally do this way because like at least I gotta move for traffic this way. But since it's a one way, you get what I'm saying? I just figure I just worry about this way and not this way. That's why I was like, oh, okay, yeah. But no, I'm pretty good.
Hey, we're just playing Pokemon.
Oh.
There's the water towers is in.
Oh, cool. I don't mind. I don't care. All right, buddy. That was nice. Everybody asked if I'm okay. But yeah, so basically, the camera keeps acting weird on me. It's talking about temperatures are high, so we're gonna get this going real quick before it tells me the camera's overheating again. Right here, this is how KW came. You know, you got a nice modest drop, you know, no rubbing, anything. Look at that. Look at that. Whoo, shoosh. Thing is crazy. Aggressiveness. But yeah, back to this wheel. We got a nice modest drop right here. Like I said, I want to lower it a little bit more. We got some clearance. We got barely 2 fingers. 1 definitely, 2 not so much, you know. And we go to the back. The back is just RIP. This is how it came out the box too. Back is just RIP. You got 1 finger. You can nudge 1 finger if you angle it and you go up. 2, not a way in hell. Back, I love the stance on the back. I might have it come up a little bit more because I wanted to run maybe a bigger spacer. Let me get out the way because another car coming. I'm trying to find some faults. Like some faults in these coilovers. These are the V3s, so with the amount of money that I paid for these, they better, you know, give me the satisfaction I want. It's the stock suspension. It was very uninspiring, you know. If you're on a highway, you want to switch lanes, it'll kind of glide over the bump, so you wouldn't feel the bumps. It would be extremely comfortable. You wouldn't feel the bump when you hit it. However, the car felt like it unsettled, like it wanted to do, like the car wanted to do one more move. So the best way I can explain that is, let's say you're driving calm and you hit a bump or you hit like a dip or something, the car will go kind of like how the Passats with stock suspension, like the Lincoln Grand Marquis or something, like, or Mercury Grand Marquis, whatever to make it. You know, it would have that, like that waft, so it'll like waft its way over a little bit. Which, I mean, I never lost grip. I've always had good traction and everything. However, well, you know what? Let's hit it real quick. Let's hit it. Let's get on the road real quick. Sorry, let me zoom. I'm trying to get used to not spinning this zoom. I'm trying to get used to that. But back to what I was saying. Now it's a lot more direct. It's a lot more, you know, once and done. Whereas before, like I said, it would, you know, lean its way over. We can go down this way. It would lean its way over just like, you know, so. Now it's just more, it's like riding on rails. Before you could feel like the little cloud. Now it's just like, so it went from bump. It would never bounce more than like once, but it would just be too, I would say, too soft with these. You know, we're not gonna waft over here, switching lanes, turn the wheel, switches lanes. It just feels like there's no sway before. It lost all body roll. There's no swaying left or right. I like it. Now we're gonna just take it on a nice little calm drive. I'll show you. I got one hand, so I'm gonna be a little less ballsy going in these corners. See, it just gets with the program. After the bump, the suspension just, oh, see, we got some choppiness. You see those bumps in the road? Little choppiness. The suspension felt a little uneased, but like I said, it gets with the program. Super direct. I hope you can tell how much input I'm putting in the steering. See, look, it responds. Let's see, we got squiggly. What's that? I think we'll take this way. little slippery on the corner right here. Like I said, it's wet outside. It's so flat. We're still flat. We're still staying flat. Still staying flat. A little bit of oversteer on the exit. Nothing too crazy. And if a brake, you see, like, it stays flat, man. And we talking about a heavy car here. This is a 5 Series, which is size-wise, we can compare the size to. Oh man, this is bigger than your Maxima. You know, this is. I don't even know what you can compare this car to for real. This is like your Audi A6, your E-Class sedan. But like I said, back to the suspension. Flat. Now, one thing I will say, now it's not a gripe. How I'm used to driving this car, it would have a certain degree of body roll to it, and then it would be like a loss of grip. Now, granted, how much body roll I have, I can kind of tell you when I'm gonna lose grip. The fact that this car has no body roll, now I have to relearn how to drive it, because it's like grip, it seems flat, it stays flat, so it's like, I'm good, and then all of a sudden, it just oversteers. So it's like, it comes out a lot flatter now, where before it would lean a lot before it oversteers. I think that also helps, to be honest with you. I think it helps give me a little more grip, seeing that the wheels are staying planted. So one wheel, I'm not getting that one tire fire type of deal as much as I normally would be. But we're gonna wrap it back around. Like I said, you got some decent roads out here. It's a little wet out, it's raining. So we're not gonna tax it crazy. Like I said, one hand on the wheels, raining. You know, so we're gonna do our thing, get up out of here and finish this video up. But let me just shut up and let it drive. You see what I mean? It doesn't lean at all, and then it just loses grip. It's like very, very. I'm learning how to modulate the throttle a little bit, as you guys can see, but behind a lovely Versa. I feel this camera getting hot, and it got all these overheating issues. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. We just did this little road right here. We're gonna take it back home down this nice little road right here. But KW's at the top, man. KW, I would say KW and Bilstein. Man, if you're gonna go anything else in these BMWs, you're probably not gonna be happy. You're not gonna be excited. And I follow this guy, Shumao Swift. He does. He runs Bilsteins on his F30, and he has nothing bad to say about him. All good, all positive vibes. And here I am with the KW V3s to let you know it's the same thing. Now, I feel like the only difference between the KWs and the Bilsteins I feel like they might be a little bit softer, and they don't allow you to go as low to the ground, like slam-wise. This allows you to do whatever you want. You can go extremely firm, extremely soft. Now, this can give you the stance look. It can give you the performance, the going around the corners, everything. It can take care of it all. Hopefully, they last just as long as OEM quality. We don't know that, but we'll see. Let's get out the way.